Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, we meet again. Hopefully you all practicing the Quran recitation and applying the rules whatever you read and learn through these videos. If you're gonna utilize my videos and if you learn anything, I'm gonna get lot of rewards. If you're gonna forward and the other person is gonna read, he or she will read and she'll get the rewards, and the same thing goes to you and even I will get. Okay, so please see if you can share the videos to as many people as you want, and you also can teach them. Okay, alhamdulillah, these are very easy rules. Arabic is very easy, Quran is also very easy, alhamdulillah. To have that in mind, don't think it's too tough. If it was really tough, you cannot do it, then why would Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala choose that to be our language, right? Language of Quran. It is easy, alhamdulillah. You just have got to invest in it. Okay, okay, we'll go. What are we going to see today? We are gonna take the rule of laam. Okay, ahkam of laam or laam al jalalah. By the way, who is jalal? Yes, jalal, jalil. Any idea who is he? Obviously it's a name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? You have got 99 names. What are these called? Asma'ul husna, right? Asma'ul husna, उसमें एक नाम है al jalil. तो लाम al jalala मतलब Allah का लाम. ठीक है, the lam that comes in the word Allah. You have got certain rules for them. As of now, just let me know what is lam. Is it like Tafqeem or Tarqeeq? Hope you remember that concept. Please go and watch the videos. Tafqeem and Tarqeeq are nothing but heavy and light letters, right? The lam is heavy or light. Obviously it's a light letter. La, it's not law, right now, but only when it comes to the word Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then it changes. Yes, how does it change? It becomes heavy sometimes and it remains light sometimes. As you all know, this is lam and it is gonna be light always only in this condition. What condition? When it comes in the word Allah. ठीक है, तो whenever you have got fatha, ठीक है, whenever you have got fatha associated, no, like previous letter को fatha है, then the lam is to be read, pronounced heavily. Allahu. Okay, if that is the case, Allahu, you will not tell Allahu. La, you should not come. Okay, the same word, if the Allah word has got dhamma there, okay, if dhamma is there, what are you going to pronounce? The same, heavy ही करेंगे. ठीक है, और रसूलु, lu was there, तो रसूलुल्लाही, रसूलुल्लाही, you will not do रसूलुल्लाही. Okay, तो what about kasra then? यहाँ पर भी heavy होगा क्या? No, either it changes. Okay, bismillahi, bismillahi. So basically what I'm gonna try to say is, if the word Allah is there, then just see the previous letter. Okay, previous letter में if you have got fatha or dhamma, then the word Allah में lam जो है ना, उसको heavy पढ़ना है. You must read that heavily. If you have got kasra, then what to do? Then you have got to read this lam lightly. Okay, so it is going to be bismillah, not bismillah. Okay, nasrullah, not nasrullah. Okay, so let us see few examples, inshallah. Okay, you have got one. Dekho, first observe, you have got the word Allah here. Now you know this rule also, na? Previously you just have gone through. Noon with shadda, what is it? It is ghunna. Check out that video as well. So you should not read it as in Allah. So you must stay there. In, right? In, and here पर Allah is there. So it is going to be heavy or light? Obviously it's going to be heavy because you have got fatha. So before word Allah, if you have got fatha and dhamma, heavy karo. If kasra hai, to light karo. That's it. So inna Allah is wrong. Inna Allah. Okay, यहाँ पर Allah is there, then you have got dhamma on the previous letter, so it is going to be heavy again. So it is not hududullahi, it will be hududullahi. Okay, Now this example we just saw, Bismillahi. Here also, Indillahi, Hizbullahi, Huwallahu, Bi'idhnillahi, Minallahi, Dunillahi, Ba'athallahu. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so just remember the easiest concept. Allah के word के पीछे if you have got fatha and dhamma, that means zabar and pesh, then you must read it heavily. अगर kasra है यानी ज़ेर तो read it lightly. We'll meet in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.